Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on DCS credit cards. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in dcscc.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for DCS Card Center. Now from the homepage, click on the menu icon at the top right corner and then click on My DCS Login. You will then be taken into the login portal. Just type in the first 4 digits of your card, followed by the last 4 digits, and then enter your date of birth. After entering all of these, simply enter your phone number and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your DCS card account. Once you have been logged in, you can simply look for the credit card option and then click on the cancel card button. If you don't find this option, then from the homepage, click on menu icon at the top right and then click on contact us. Now from this page, if you scroll down, you will find the email address and the phone number that you can use in order to get in touch with the support team. Simply call within this number and let them know that you wish to cancel your credit card. You will then be provided with the steps that you can follow in order to cancel your card. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to cancel your credit card on DCS credit cards. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.